Tonight, I stand before you, a symbol of darkness, justice, and unwavering determination. I am the night. I am vengeance. I am Batman. Vengeance. It's a word that carries immense weight, and for good reason. It is a concept that can consume the mind, twist the soul, and shape destinies. But vengeance, in its purest form, is a double-edged sword of force that can drive us towards righteousness or plunge us into darkness. I know what it's like to want vengeance. I lost my parents to a senseless act of violence, and I vowed to never let that happen to anyone else. I became Batman to strike fear into the hearts of criminals, to make them think twice before they hurt someone else. For years, I have walked the shadows of Gotham City, witnessing the pain, the suffering, and the horrors that haunt its streets. The city I call home has been engulfed by a perpetual night, where evil thrives, and the innocent cry out for justice. And it is vengeance that fuels my crusade. But make no mistake, my quest for vengeance is not born out of a desire for personal satisfaction or the gratification of a wounded ego. No, it is driven by an unwavering belief in the power of justice, in the need to protect the innocent and strike fear into the hearts of those who prey upon them. I also fight for hope. I want people to believe that there is still good in the world, even in a city like Gotham. I also fight for hope. I want people to believe that there is still good in the world, even in a city like Gotham. I want them to know that there is someone out there who will stand up for them, no matter what. But vengeance comes at a cost. It is a path fraught with danger, temptation, and the constant threat of losing oneself in the very darkness we seek to vanquish. The line between justice and vengeance is razor thin, and it is our duty to tread carefully, to ensure that our actions serve a greater purpose and do not become an end in themselves. But I stand here today as a testament to the fact that vengeance does not have to define us. We have a choice to rise above our pain and channel it into something greater, into a force for good. We can choose to become the symbol that strikes fear into the hearts of the wicked, the symbol that gives hope to the oppressed, and the symbol that reminds us all that even in the darkest of nights, justice will prevail. So, let us not be consumed by vengeance, but rather let us be inspired by it. Let us channel our pain into a force that will cleanse this city of its darkness and bring about a new dawn, a dawn where justice prevails, where hope is rekindled, and where the innocent can once again walk the streets without fear. I am Batman, and I vow to be the embodiment of justice. I will not rest until every criminal cowers in fear, until every victim finds solace, and until every corner of Gotham City is touched by the light of justice. Thank you, and may we all find the strength to rise above vengeance and become the heroes that Gotham City so desperately needs.